Thank you so very much to all of you. And my main focus of interest in this talk is please sit down. Please sit down. Take your chairs. First of all, I welcome the newly joined students at GMC Amritsar. All of you must be aware that wherever you go all over the world, you will find in institutions a doctor from GMC Amritsar. GMC Amritsar created faculty of AIMS New Delhi, PGI Chandigarh, Rohtak Medical College, Shimla Medical College, and many more new medical colleges, where the principals, directors, and faculty was from GMC Amritsar. I am proud to stand here after 50 years that this is my alma mater. So it is yours. So it is yours. To the new students in this college, you should derive pleasure that here we are meeting at a time when we were sitting on these benches 50 years back. 25 years later on in Silver Jubilee, we were again sitting here with families. And today we are again sitting here after 50 years of graduation. This is a moment of great nostalgia for me. Those who are sitting in front of me, my batchmates, their families, they are all wonderful people. I must tell you, each one of them has achieved zenith in life. Director Health Services, Chairman, universities, everywhere you find directors, deputy directors, civil surgeons, these professor and heads, and not to name anybody, one of us is an examiner for FRCS ophthalmology for UK government. One of us is Padam Shri in nephrology. One of us is a Hollywood film producer. One of us appears on the front page of Vogue magazine, the fashion world of USA. So far as the credentials are concerned, all institutions in India and especially in US, the services are rendered by my batchmates. I am so happy. One of my batchmates became the principal of GMC Patiala and retired there. So it's a very, very big achievement when the batchmate becomes principal of a medical institution. Today, I am here to say you a few words. That is, like we are standing today, one of you will be standing here again after 50 years, after 25 years. But you must keep the flame burning and keep an idea of flights. If you dream that I want to achieve and become a director of diabetology in USA, you will become. If you think I will open a clinical Majita Road, you will open that only. Going beyond that is not possible. So the flight of ideas which comes during studentship is the ultimate which takes you at a particular step. Some of you may become politicians, ministers. So sky is not the limit for you. और मैं जो मेरे कोलीग्स, मेरे बैचमेट्स, मेरे दोस्त, उनके परिवार यहाँ पे उपस्थित हुए हैं, एक फोन कॉल पे मैं उनका सबका हाथ जोड़कर अभिनंदन करता हूँ. स्वागत करता हूँ और उनको अपनी ओर से नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जो पॉसिबल वर्ड्स हैं वो भी कम उनका बोले. You know, joining some of my batchmates, I am seeing them after 40-45 years. And it's best nostalgia. We are together since the last evening and we will be together for another day. So this GMC function is a major function of this Golden Jubilee celebrations. जितने भी मेरे मेहमान आए हैं, दोस्त आए हैं, परिवार आए हैं, मैं उन सबको यही कहना चाहता हूँ, इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से जो हमारा गोल है, ऑब्जेक्टिव है, वो है कि आप लोग बैचमेट के बजाय अब आप परिवारों के सदस्य बन जाएं. You should know each one's family in detail during this interaction and exchange phone numbers, addresses, and visit your friends whenever you find time. There is a time to visit friends and open new horizons. Each one of us, of you, is a great, volcano of talent. So, I hope, without taking more time, once again, मैं आप सबका अभिनंदन करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग जितने घंटे भी हमारे साथ हैं, इकट्ठे हैं, उसको जिंदगी के फन, लाफ्टर, स्माइल, you should enjoy this. And if you enjoy this, if your face gets a smile out of the function, I will be the happiest person to hold it. Last but not the least, I would request that we are going to hold this celebration every year. Maybe destination changes. Maybe it is Dubai, maybe it is Kasoli, maybe it is Bombay, maybe it is Goa, maybe it is Amritsar. Maybe it is anybody who offers I'll hold, we'll go there, all of us. So let's take a vow to hold it every year till we live. Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. Now I invite, I was asked to deliver a presidential address. I thought, and what presidential address? Somebody has to ban the cat, so they made me to stand here. So there is no address like presidential address or chairman's address. It is a few words of thank you, thank you, thank you once again. And now I invite Dr. Navpreet Hanswal on stage. Before he reaches here, let me tell you 3-4 things. One thing is Dr. Jaideep Maria, my batchmate, Dr. Babulal, my batchmate, and Dr. Navpreet Hanswal. From within the city, these three was my right hand and third eye. I used to just tell them, get it done, they used to do it everything. So I am grateful to you. Without naming others, batchmates in Amritsar, they helped me. Our patron, Dr. Sameer Dogra. Once Navpreet finishes his talk, I will request Dr. Sameer Dogra to please come on stage and bless the audience. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome, everyone. A golden good morning to all of you. Dr. Goel has already explained in length, and you know the history of this college. It started as a medical school in 1864 at Lahore. Then it was shifted to Amritsar in 1920, and later on became a college in 1944. So we joined in 1975, and this is our Golden Jubilee, 50 years of reunion. We have already had 2 more reunions, and this is the 3rd one. So when we graduated, we wanted to do post-graduation, and for that we had already filled a bond of 2 years of rural service. But direct PG was very distant dream, but it was because of Dr. Sameer Dogra that we could do direct PG. All cheers to Dr. Sameer Dogra. So for this reunion, we were working hard for the last 1 year. The first official meeting was held in this October 2024. Since then, every month we have been having regular meetings, and today is the day which we eagerly waited for. There will be so many shortcomings and pitfalls in our organizing this conference or reunion, and we apologize for that. So without taking much of time, I want to take you to the long way in 1975 with a small movie. Please start. Switch off the light, please.
On behalf of the organizing committee of Golden Jubilee reunion celebrations of GMC batch MBBS 1975, I welcome you all here from the premises of our alma mater GMC Amritsar in front of the principal office, and I welcome you, I welcome you, I welcome you. We all love you, we all love you, we all love you so much, and waiting to put you in a state of humor, laughter, entertainment, and whatnot. Thank you so much.
याद न जाए दिनों की जाके ना आए जो दिन दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें दिल क्यों बुलाए तस्वीर उनकी छुपा के रख दूं जहाँ भी चाहे तस्वीर उनकी छुपा के रख दूं जहाँ भी चाहे मन में बसी ये मूरत मन में बसी ये मूरत लेकिन मिटी न मिठाए कहने को है वो पराए हाथ न जाए बीते दिनों की जाके न आए जो दिन दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें दिल क्यों बुलाए याद न जाए बीते दिनों की ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे अरे मेरी जीत तेरी हार सुन है मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरी जान है अपना प्यार जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे जान में भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मनी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे लोगों को आते हैं तो नजर हम अगर देखो तो नहीं देखता हूँ मैं कब देखता हूँ क्या देखता हूँ मैं कब देखता हूँ तेरी नजर से मैं सब देखता हूँ तेरी कसम के हाथ है मेरे मगर के हाथों में ताकत तुम्हारी है यार सुन यारी तेरी मुझे जिंदगी से भी प्यारी है दिल में लगाई है तस्वीर तेरी दिल में लगाई है तस्वीर तेरी तेरा नसीबा है तस्वीर मेरी सुनना कुछ ना मैंने सुना मगर अब सुनो मेरी बारी यारी तेरी मुझे जिंदगी से भी प्यारी है हमसे जो उलझे होगा दीवाना हमसे जो उलझे होगा दीवाना आवाज तुझे मैं बांधू निशाना उड़ते हुए पंछी के पर हम काट ले ये मैं जाल हूँ तू शिकारी है यार सुन यारी तेरी मुझे जिंदगी से भी प्यारी है
Thank you very much. I hope I have not bored you. Now I invite Dr. Manocha on the stage for further proceedings. Thank you.
जो हमारे म्यूजिशियंस हैं अभी गाना बजा रहे थे, आगे भी जाने ना तू पीछे भी जाने। आप लोगों के लिए तो जागन होगा, बट वो हमारे वक्त का गाना है, फ्रॉम द फिल्म वक्त, which means that you don't know what posterity has in for you. Why I say that is that we never started like this. We started just like you people. And we have reached this level courtesy our brethren, courtesy the teachers who taught us, and the way we evolved. So, ladies and gentlemen, spouses, students of the fresh batch, my fellow musicians, and I hope I haven't missed anybody. We are here to commemorate and celebrate 50 years of our existence. Because 50 years brings with you qualification, earnings, and its accompaniments. What do I mean by accompaniments? Crackling knees, stents, dementia if not forgetfulness. So these are the kind of things that creep in. And they are if they are natural calamities, these are natural disorders. They have to come no matter what you do, what you eat, how you exercise, etc. I would first and foremost like to thank Sameer Dogra for including all of us in this group called Friends Forever. He is the one who created this group and how we are regularly in touch with one another. And we start from the year 75 when we had excellent teachers, Madam Usha Ahuja, Professor Khadak Singh, Professor Boparai, Professor Tyagi, and whole lot of them, Prabhakar, Dr. Mrs. Sanan, Dr. Harcharan Singh, Dr. Ajit Singh, Dr. Daljit Singh, the famous ophthalmologist, I'm sure most of you have heard his name, Dr. Chadda, Dr. Mrs. Chuk, and Dr. Marwaha. So these luminaries, they trained us. They trained us very well, which is why we are all able to earn our thousands, lakhs and crores. It is because of the training of these people that we are where we are. Now, what happens when you grow up? When you grow up, then these accompaniments which I have just suggested, they creep in. But you have to live life in a full way. Because if you don't live life in a full way, you start withering away. And that is exactly what has happened over the years. Some of us, we miss those who have either left us or have not been able to come for one reason or the other, or, for some family situation have not been able to make it. We miss them badly because it was an opportunity to meet them. After all, how many can claim that tomorrow when there is Diamond Jubilee celebration, even one of us will be alive and kicking and be able to come at this kind of a function? क्योंकि उस वक्त घुटने ही जवाब दे जाएंगे, उस वक्त स्टेंट्स पड़ी होंगी सबके. So make the most of this day as it is. I would now like to start with the program. Welcome address has been given by Dr. Goyal, which was superb. And Navpreet has already shown a film. आपने एक चीज नोट की होगी फिल्म में, कैसे सब slim, trim, full of hair थे, and now they are balding patches. And कुछ लोग छड़ी पकड़ते हैं, कुछ लोग जो नहीं पकड़ते हैं वो पकड़ने वाले हैं. So don't be depressed about these things. We would like to start with a program where Keval Bhalla will pass a small obituary to the ones who have left us and gone where they belong to. So Keval Bhalla, please, thank you.
Good morning. Before I say what I have come here for, let me talk to the young boys and girls. Most of you are almost of the age of our grandchildren. And my humble request to all of you, please keep in touch. Because you'll be meeting each other for practically 5.5 years. And for rest of the life, you must cherish those memories. you must keep in touch, not virtually alone. You can snatch a few moments and see one another, because we realize it, you will also realize that helps you retard your aging. We met these among our class fellows last evening, and we were all feeling that we are back in 1975-76. So that's the amazing effect of meeting our class fellows. I think we are extremely blessed, extremely fortunate, and the biggest, the greatest blessing of God that we have ever received, that we went to bed last night and we were able to get up in the morning. Not all are fortunate enough. It is said, those whom God's love die young. Maybe. God's needed more the 24 among us who left. I've had the, I would say, bad fortune of handling the mortal remains of some. But let me tell you, maybe they were in a hurry. But the lesson of life they gave to us are still so close to my heart. These people are always in our thoughts, and I think I'm a better person because I knew some of them. I lived close to some of them. God bless their souls. God bless all of us. Thank you.
थैंक यू के इनका कहने का मतलब था, तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए. I invite Napreet on the guitar to play this very song.
This instrument is rarely being played these days. This is jazz guitar, and also known as Hawaii guitar, and that is the in Spanish guitar.
आधुनिक युद्ध के विद्यार्थियों ने किसी ने ये गाना सुना हुआ है? रेज योर हैंड प्लीज। 2, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक। गा सकते हैं? नहीं, ओके।
Mike was it from me? Anybody who can sing?
हर बैच में जब हम स्टूडेंट्स थे आपके जैसे, दे यूज्ड टू बी लिटरेरी फोरम, आई डोंट नो आजकल है कि नहीं। तो उस वक्त पहले दिन होती थी डिबेट, दूसरे दिन डेक्लेमेशन, तीसरे दिन पॉलिटिकल सिंपोजियम, देन शामे गज़ल एंड देन वन एक्ट प्ले। अब पॉलिटिकल सिंपोजियम में बड़े बड़े आते थे, जावेद अख्तर जो आजकल के हैं। सो मैं उन्हीं में से बलवंत सिंह सिद्धू को बुलाता हूं जो अपनी पोइट्री से आपको मनोरंजन करें।